Hello guys, and welcome to a brand new video regarding some issues that I have with my Jaguar 2012. So the issue that I'm having at the minute is, so when I open the door, they will not move when I lock the door. Yeah. So what I need to do is take the front cover off and then take the latch out, this one. What you'll need is going to be a Torx number 20, 25 and 30, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first you have to take this little cap off, which is inside there, and then after that you'll have them two as well. That one there is Torx number 20, and that one, both of them are Torx number 30. They are out. That one there is out as well. I do recommend, before doing any kind of panel removal, just make sure you leave the window roughly like 7-8 centimeters, 3.5 inches, something like that. So it's going to be easier for you to access the latch when you open it. I would say something like that would be sufficient. Yeah. After this, the easiest part, you start prying from here with your hand. Just put your hand behind and it's going to unclip. Once you've unclipped the top part, you will see that behind here you have a cable. Just put it out and then take it out from that space. Once the cover is off, you have some cables that you have to unplug. One is this one, and then I have another one here. And then third one is right here. And this is off. I'll put it here. And this is how it looks like. They are all Torx 25. So all of them are done. Make sure you don't forget this one in the middle, because it's linked to the motor itself. It's going here, yeah. Next step, Torx 30, this one and that one. But before we do it, first thing is we have to put our hand behind and push the glass up. So you'll have, it's hard to see, but if you push your hand behind, on the other side of the glass you will have a stopper for the glass. So you have to kind of like take it out, so pry it out and then push the glass out, and it's gonna go. There we go, that's done. So I push the glass up, it's completely up, and now I can unscrew them screws and unplug the plug here. Just unplugged it, put it on the side. Now we have some plugs that need to be removed. So there's one here, and then there's another one there. I'm done. Then we have one right at the top. But I'm going to try to take that one out. So if you look there, it's right at the top. It's right there. That's the one that we need to put out, but I don't have space enough. So first I'm gonna take these out. Torx 30. Try to push this one in, and I have to take the handle off as well. So first things first, I'll start with this little thingy. So the cap off, Turks 25 inside there. So after 13 turns to the left like that, so 1 3, yeah, this is gonna come off. And as you can see, that's the screw which goes inside here. Okay, so this is off. Slowly use it slowly, otherwise you might rip something off. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that one out. As you can see, the handle has some kind of a spring on the connector mechanism, so I'm gonna try and protect it and put it this way. So I can unplug it from here. So let's see, what can we do? I'm just gonna unplug it this way. There we go. Slowly but surely it goes out. Now that's out. That one there is Torx 25. Now them here Torx 30. All done. Now I'm going to try to pull it out. Nice and gentle. There we go. That one is out. And now the last bit, which is this one here, needs to be unplugged. There we go. And make sure you untie. It has some safety pins there. It's one here and one down. Make sure you remove them. And so I've removed both safety pins. This is how they look like. Just pry them in. One is there and one should be somewhere there. There we go. Right, so I have the unit in my hands. I'll show you what to do next. Right, what you're gonna need next is a flat screwdriver like this, a Torx 10 and a Torx 20. I've seen some other people were completely putting this out, but you don't need to. I just need to take that one out with the flat screwdriver, just push it there, and with one hand push it there, and with the other one just pry it out. So I just pushed it in, and now you just take it out, and you can. So next step is to take this one out. I will take the Torx 10 and put it in such a way that it's gonna go exactly in between there, so you can pull them apart, and then you can pull it up. One side is up, as you can see. Now I'll put the little Torx like that for the other side, and then you should be able to completely pull it up. Come on. Come on here, little baby. There we go. Make sure you don't damage this little there we go. Yeah, this is how they look like, these little legs that keep it in place. So take it off, and then you can completely rotate it, and it's going to be out of your way. The way I do it, I'll try to support it, and I'll put it like this, and it's going to be support on that. Now with the Torx 10, I'm going to take them 4 screws out, and with the Torx 20 them too. Now all are out, so from here and to here. Now you have to unclip here, and you have one of the exactly the same on the bottom side. I can feel it, so I'm gonna push it. This comes out, and then you just wiggle it. Don't forget as well, the here is this piece that needs to be pried out as well. So that's going to be another little game for you. And now you have to completely wiggle it in such a way that it's going to come out. There we go. That's out. So we have to have access to them little two motors. Mostly the main culprit is going to be this big one, but sometimes it's the little one as well. So I do advise that you buy both of them, and you just flip them, like take the bad ones out and then put the good ones in. One last thing, when you back like this, you will notice that you will have a little spring which goes exactly in the same position back on, and I'm going to show you how. So when you're going to dismantle it and try to put it back on, this little spring needs to come exactly like this. There is no other way you can put it in anyhow. So just for you to know, it's going to come that side there, and this little upward leg is going to come inside this white thing. So this is how it's going to look like. And back on. Everything is back on. I'm going to put it back on the car. And I was saying, good luck. And yeah, take care.